Oh, hey, my name's Jason. I'm an IT professional with absolutely no construction skills, and I bought a house that needs to be completely remodeled. This is going to be painful. How you like that dope new intro? Pretty cool. I thought it'd be kind of nice to have an intro that played every time. Just a quick little thing, so if you never watched one of my videos before, it gets you up to speed pretty quick as to what's going on here. Anyway, so today, oh, I should say, shout out to Ellen's Animations on Fiverr.com for that animation. She hooked that up real quick. I'll put a link to her page in the description. So today we got the shower over here. Let's take a look at that. And this shower down here needs to get bigger, for one. And that concrete's got to come out of there so they can repair and move the drain. And that wall's coming out. We're going to make this shower about a foot bigger, so it's going to be about 4 feet long. Or wide, I guess, depending on how you want to talk about it. So, maybe asking yourself, Jason, well, why would you call yourself Jason if you were asking yourself? I don't know. You may be asking, Jason, how are you going to get that concrete out of there? I'll tell you. With this jackhammer that I rented. You also may be asking yourself, Jason, isn't that jackhammer dangerous? And I say yes. Yes, it is. And that's exactly why I'm doing it. No, actually, the reason why I'm doing it is because the plumber said they would do it for $500. Trying to save money, son. We'll do it ourselves. $100 for a day rental on the jackhammer from Home Depot. Oh, they call it a breaker. I don't know why, but it's a jackhammer. It's electric. Let's do this.
All done but the work.
So this is the end result of it. Didn't take nearly as long as I thought. The plumber wanted basically to get to this pipe and to the P-trap that's buried underneath the dirt here. So that's what I did for him. But I probably will end up with just a half-day rental, hopefully, on that thing. So maybe $70. And they wanted $500 to do this. It probably took me longer to set it up and take it down than it did to actually use it and beat the concrete out of here and shovel it out. So good to know if you ever have to do something like this. So here's what's going on with that slope on the ceiling that I was talking about. As you can see, there's a big a double 2x12 over here, and it ran from the eaves and then it just stopped right here, which was fine before we took that pantry out because the wall was supporting it. So now there's just nothing supporting it on that end. So what we're going to have to do And I'm not, saying this of my own accord. I'm just repeating what my father-in-law says. We're going to have to get some beams tomorrow, some more. I think we're getting 2x8s. And we're going to run them across because right over there, there's a closet to the right of the door, right as you come in the front door. And there's studs there and big headers. So we're going to kind of let it sit on top of that, but we're going to bolt them together. We're going to patch them into these, so to speak, and bolt everything together. And he also talked about running another brace out here onto it just to give it some more rigidity. But before we do that, we're going to get a 2-ton jack and a stud down below and jack the ceiling up back to where it's level, tie everything together, and then we should be good to go.
The attic, however, was going to have to wait. We had to get work done on the bathroom floor in the master bathroom. Not sure if you can see from the time lapse, but there was holes in the subfloor that we had to patch up and then put down underlayment on top of that. So that's what we spent most of the day doing.
Well, it was a pretty good weekend of progress at the house. We had some, I don't know if you would call them setbacks, but the plans that were drawn up were not right as far as the measurements and where those measurements would end up, if that makes any sense. It kind of takes some explaining, but one of the things that we came to the decision of was that the door was supposed to come out to this window here, past the window, so that you could close a little door there and have privacy on the toilet. But really, it's only going to be me and Tammy for the most part using this bathroom, and there's a door right here that would go into the bedroom. So if a person really wanted privacy in the bathroom, they could close that door. And so that way, if we just leave this as a wall coming out for the shower, because that's where the shower is going to go, then we'll have all this natural light coming through into the entire bathroom and not just in where the toilet's at. So that's one change we made. Still just kind of seem to be in the mode where we got to take 2 steps back to take a step forward, but we're getting there. We got a lot of good work done today. Got the floor, like I said, and got some of this framing in. We just got to put some studs up here so the plumbers can rough in where the shower head's going to go. So thanks for checking in again. If you want to stay up to date with what's going on, make sure to subscribe. And if you subscribe and click notifications, then you'll always know when a new video comes out. And we'll see you next time.